Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Hussey, and if you've ever woken up with a cold, soft, or lifeless feeling down there, this might shock you. It's not just age. The real cause could be sitting on your breakfast plate. Yes, that innocent toast, cereal, or muffin might be quietly sabotaging your blood flow, especially to the area that matters most to your manhood. Most men over 60 believe their loss of energy and performance is just aging. But I've spent over 30 years helping men regain strength and vitality, and the truth is clear. The problem is usually blood flow, not testosterone. Your first meal of the day can either support your circulation or crush it. Common breakfasts like toast, sugary cereal, or even fruit juice can spike blood sugar and inflame the arteries, blocking blood where you want it most: your pelvis. The fix starts with one simple food: spinach. Spinach is rich in natural nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Eating 2 cups of spinach, blended in a smoothie or sautéed with breakfast, can bring warmth and energy back to your mornings. Men like Harold, 67, who tried this for just 2 weeks, reported feeling alive again, with stronger, firmer mornings. To make spinach even more effective, pair it with Greek yogurt and berries. Greek yogurt supports gut health, reducing inflammation that blocks blood flow. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, protect nitric oxide and keep arteries flexible. This combo not only helps digestion, but supercharges circulation. One patient told me, "Doc, I'm playing with my grandkids again without needing to sit down every 10 minutes." Next, avocado and dark chocolate. Avocado keeps arteries soft and responsive, which is critical for pelvic blood flow. And just 2 squares of 70% dark chocolate increase nitric oxide and improve blood vessel function. It's not candy. It's powerful circulation support for men over 60. Finally, add pomegranate juice. 4 ounces a day. It's packed with polyphenols that widen arteries and protect nitric oxide. Studies show pomegranate can boost blood flow within just 30 minutes. And when combined with the other 4 foods, it becomes a powerful daily routine to reclaim your energy and vitality. Let's recap your new morning routine. 1. Spinach, nitrate booster. 2. Greek yogurt plus berries, gut and vessel support. 3. Avocado, artery flexibility. 4. Dark chocolate, nitric oxide enhancer. 5. Pomegranate juice, royal circulation fuel. Start with just 1 food tomorrow. Build momentum. This isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. If any part of this video spoke to you, hit the like button, share it with a friend or father who needs this message, and drop a comment with the food you'll start with. Subscribe and tap the bell, because we're just getting started. Your best days aren't behind you. They can start with breakfast and start tomorrow.